In today's video, I'm going to show you how I'm generating consistent profits using a boom and crash auto trading robot. This powerful system works completely hands-free, analyzing the market in real time and executing trades with precision. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this robot helps you take advantage of market spikes without needing to sit in front of charts all day. I started with a small balance, and with proper risk management, I've been able to grow it steadily while keeping drawdown under control. The best part is, it removes emotions from trading and follows a proven strategy 24/7. If you're looking for a smarter way to trade boom and crash, this could be your opportunity to start building passive income. Join my Telegram now and get access to this powerful auto trading robot today.